So let me tell you how to apply for Vietnam visa. So first you have to search Vietnam Embassy. Just ensure you will go for the legit site looks like I am going here. Just click on it. Just go to the visa. Click here. Then you can see the site is updated on 11th of November. The new one are these two. So just click on it. And you will see the page like this. Just click on apply now. Just click on confirm and click on next. Now you have to fill a form for it, like you have to upload your front face portrait image with a white background. So making sure the your passport size photo is valid as they asked for it, the dimension in it. I will take an example to how to fill this form. So just first choose the photograph. I will go. I'll choose this one. I'm taking this as a sample while filling this form. So it's photograph. So your passport photograph is that like this shown in the image is this only the page you have to upload. So just do it. And make sure all photographs you upload have high quality and easily visible. I'm taking the sample so it is not much visible, but you have to make sure you have upload the right image. So everything in the formula is first you have to input your surname. You can see here, you can everything you find on your passport like surname is here. What is your surname? Just put it here, your surname, which is you can see here like surname, so you have to put this. Then your first name, like in the passport you can see here. This is your given name, the first name. So this one you have to put here. I'm putting dummy, so just filling the form. So date of birth you can find here on your passport, like here. Everything information they are asking is already on your passport. You have to choose then nationality according to you. ID card number is your passport number. Here, J836 9854. Make sure you put it right. Verify several times. You have to put your mail ID where you can receive your visa status. So making sure you put the right email ID here. Then you have to put your religion, which is according to you. Place of birth according to you. Then enter your mail. Making sure this mail, your date of birth and the passport number is correct. Then you have to go for it. These some checks. You have to do it now if by default. Then you have to put according to your flights you what date you're gonna enter, and make sure you just put 3 days prior the day of your flight, so it should be easy. Like if your flight is on 27th, you have to put like 24 here. Then how many days you're gonna stay, like then like 15 days, so put that date here. Then it's gonna ask for your passport number, like we put it here, J836. And place of issue you can see on your passport, like here you can see place of issue. Like here is Hyderabad, you have to put according to you. So like my passport is ordinary, so I will select ordinary. You will select according to you. Date of issue you can find on the passport. Date of issue is 11/10/2011. SC date of issue. Make sure you put the date of issue and expiry date carefully, because one of my friend visa got cancelled because of this. He didn't put the right details here and it got cancelled. So be careful while filling your details. Okay. So you have to put your permanent address, like on your ID, state ID or other ID. You can put it here. I'm putting it down here. You will do it yourself. Enter your contract address. Telephone number is the same. Emergency contact, you can put any of your relation, like brother, sister, or anyone. I'm just putting the one word, but you have to put your whole address. Now you have to put your occupation, what you do for a living, or like if you do business, choose business. If you're employee, choose employee according to you. You can put it here what you do, like put your name of company, position, put your position here, which is not important, but you have put here address of your company, and your contact and details of your company. This part is not much important, but you have to fill it anyways. Now you have to choose the purpose of your entry, like you are going for which purpose, like I'm going for tourism, so I select tourism. Intended here when you're going to entries, pick it from when you put it here, the date above. It's just pick automatically like 14 days. Phone number you don't have, you just bought a SIM there when you land there, so it's not necessary to put any number here. You can put your hotel info if you didn't book, just put for a temporary, just for the filling the form. Select which city you're landing, the entry, like what you mean. Select here by how you're entering the Vietnam, like by seaport or airport, so just choose it. Choose where you're going to exit, like the same city or a different city. You have to check this. Choose according to your choice, like you have been Vietnam in 1 year or not, and put it yes and no according to it. This is for the children you're traveling with. If you don't have, you don't have to fill it. Now you have to put here how many cash or money you're carrying with while traveling. Just put, I'm just putting 500 USD. And for sure I was not carrying, I will exchange there, and I will carry a Forex card, so it should be easy. You should buy insurance by any company for travel insurance. They will check if you do, if you have. You're just nice if you have a travel insurance before traveling. You don't have to fill it. Now you just have to choose your visa is applied by a company or your personally just just personally fill it, so I just click on it. Payment method you have to choose a credit card, cash or travel check. Just I choose a credit card. Make sure your international transition on before making the payment. Just click on next. Here I just forgot to type L. My bad. Oh, it should be fine. Okay. Y-O-U-R-M-A-I-L. Oh, here is L is missing. Okay, now it's fine. We give you the one more chance to review your application before filling it. Just make sure these important points you have to remember while reviewing. These are the 5 important points you have to validate 3 to 4 times. Like your first or last name should be correct, your date of birth should be correct, your passport number is should be correct, and your the date of expiry of the passport, and the entry dates or the leaving dates from the country. Just you have to verify these points after or before submitting the application. These are important to do it, or while your visa should be cancelled if you don't fill it correctly. So yeah. Just check it and click on next. It will see your declaration. Just take a screenshot of it and just give a confirm. Next page is the payment. You have to make your payment. You can do this around 25 USD. Just fill your credit card details and you should be good. So that's how you're going to fill your Vietnam visa. Happy traveling.